Motherfucking snowstorm right now, another one. 5 degrees outside on this motherfucking turnpike going 78. Let me holler at you. Set the motherfucker. Say what the fuck going on out there? Motherfucker. Niggas want to talk on the CB, don't want to talk that shit, bitch. But like I was telling y'all, nigga, I know what the fuck I'm doing, nigga. Nigga, this 10 fucking plus years, bitch. What the fuck you think this is, nigga? Mainly on the West Coast, bitch. Made trucking 13 speed, nigga, back when they had sticks, bitch. I know what the fuck I'm doing, ho. You think I got this truck for nothing, bitch? I know how to make money, and I know how the bitches like you sit your ass at home and don't know what the fuck they doing on this road, ho. Nigga, this how I make my bread and butter, bitch. The fuck is you talking about, little bitty ho? Everybody get the fuck out the way, nigga. I'm coming through